Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you are returning, don't forget to on your notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So today we're going to be making some pizza dough. I'm going to be teaching you how to make pizza dough. So the first thing you need is some flour, some sugar, some salt, some yeast, and some vegetable oil. And you're just going to mix all of that together. Then you add some water. You can use some lukewarm water or room temperature water. Just know that whichever one you decide to use, make sure it is not hot, and it is just going to decide how quick your dough is going to rise. So as you already know, I like to add my water little by little as we go. So there are two methods of making this. So you can decide to make it a very very soft dough or the regular dough texture, but I like to do both because both actually works. It just depends on how soft it's going to get. And after that, I transferred it into my workstation and I just proceeded to knead. So if you are using the really really soft dough method, you don't have to knead because it's already soft and it's going to be soft. I don't know how to explain it more than that. So I just basically kneaded mine for like 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure it's combined. And as you can see, it is still very sticky. That's what I'm trying to explain. That if you're using a soft dough, you don't have to knead because it's going to be very, very sticky. And this is what it looks like after 2 minutes of kneading. As you can see, everything has come together, but it is really still soft. Then I basically transferred it into my bowl and I covered it on cling film. Then I'm going to be leaving it to rise for a while. Not been struggling with the cling film, right? That's because my hand is oily and it's just dragging the whole thing. Anyways, so I just basically wrap it up. You can wrap it up with anything you want. Just make sure it is in a warm environment so that it will rise quite fast. So after leaving it for about 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. It has doubled in size and it is ready to be used. Anyways, this is the pizza bread video. If you want to know how to make pizza sauce and toppings and everything, check out my next post. I'm going to be dropping a detailed recipe on how to make a Nigerian correct pizza. you know how I made the sauce for this particular bread. So basically I just basically try to roll it. So if you're using the soft dough, you don't need rolling pin. I mean, it is very easy to roll with your hand. As you can see, I was using hand. So if I use this soft dough, I won't even roll it at all. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.